Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone XS Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let it release. Continue to hold. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel as well and turn on post notifications, and also drop a like on the video. You can let go. And there you guys go, your phone has been soft resetted.